Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve two equations. My first equation is y square minus 2x minus 1 equals minus 4. This is my first equation. I name this as my first equation, and in my second equation I have x plus y equals 3. This is my second equation. Then you can see that in these two equations there are a common factor as x. So I can isolate x from the second equation, and then I can substitute that expression into this x. So using equation 2, I can derive that y equals 3 minus x. Thereafter I have to substitute this expression into, using my equation 2 we can derive that x equals 3 minus 1 y. So this expression can be substituted onto this x of this first equation. So I can rewrite that y square minus 2 within bracket 3 minus y. I took that value from here. Minus 1 equals minus 4. By solving this expression I can derive the y value. First of all, I have to solve this within bracket. So y square minus 6 plus 2y minus 1 equals 4. Then y square plus 2y minus 7 equals minus 4, and then I can have y square plus 2y minus 3. We can reduce minus 7 from minus 4, that becomes minus 3, which equals 0. Then we can take the root values of this equation. I can solve that equation like this: y square plus 3y minus y minus 3 equals 0. That means the common factor of this y square plus 3y is y. Then y, I can take it out. Then y plus 3 and minus 1 can be taken out from this minus y and minus 3. Then that becomes y plus 3 equals 0. Then you can have that y plus 3 is the common factor. Then I can take it out, y plus 3 and y minus 1 equals 0. That means y equals minus 3 or y equals plus 1. When y equals minus 3, x becomes 3 minus within bracket 3. X equals 6. And when y equals 1, x becomes 3 minus 1, that means x equals 2. This is the solution for these two equations.